For today's Discus Deep Dive, I wanted us to take a quick look at Learn360. When you log in to Learn360 for the first time, it's going to give you the option to log in with Google. And once you do that, you may have to refresh your screen and it will come up like this with your middle and high school resources. So from the description that I shared earlier, I told you that there were videos. There's different topic centers, which I'll go back to in a minute. Games and activities, you've got printables, audio, maps and flags, STEAM, lessons, and something else that I really wanted to show you that I personally really like is that you can browse by standards up here at the top. It's going to default to South Carolina. And if you go down and you click your grade and you click on your subject and then view standards, those standards are going to come up and you could click on, say, your standard 1 and any resources that Learn360 has available for that particular standard are going to come up. Things like videos, you can live stream them off of Learn360 or you can download them and add them to your Canvas page so that students can watch them a little bit easier. So I wanted to make sure that you saw that you could browse by standards. So I'm going to go back home really quick. The topic centers is new for Learn360. And you have a couple of different types of topic centers. Your STEAM topic centers are all going to relate to science, math, engineering, technology, art, any of those different things. Lots of resources in here. So if I were to click States of Matter Topic Center, I'm going to see a couple of different videos that are available. And I'm going to see some different printables that I could use in my classroom. So I wanted to make sure that you saw the different topic centers. There's not a topic center for everything, but again, that's new, so it's growing. There'll be a different spotlight of videos and resources, like this month would be Hispanic Heritage Month, so there is a spotlight on that. You've got some digital literacy and the support STEAM. Also, if you were to click on printables, you've got different fact sheets, math activities, science diagrams. So there's some algebra resources in here. There's some geometry resources, or you could search up here with the letters. You've got some science diagrams, all kinds of different science diagrams that you could use. So, for example, the weather and climate. So you've got components of the weather and lots of different charts and things that you could print off or you could post onto your Canvas page in order for students to be able to use in class. Go back. Maps and flags, there's great examples of maps and flags that are on here. There's even some historical maps that you could pull up. So if we wanted to look at the Civil War and Reconstruction, they've got the way things would have looked historically. You've also got some audio examples of things in here, different little sound clips and speeches that you could use, music tracks. So this would be great for music class, or if kids are doing a presentation and they want to add specific sound effects to their presentation. Else that you have available is under here of the premium content. There are 7 different little streamable learning, which is more like professional development. Some things that you might want to show your class, but there's not a lot of information in there. But if you go to the Mailbox Plus collection, you've got lots of different activities and things that you could use in there. Teacher tools, you've got routines and procedures, motivational celebration, for math. You've got lots of different like sheets and things that you could use with your class, things that you could print off. So lots of great resources in Learn 360, but again, my favorite is probably this Browse by Standards. If you have any questions about Learn 360 or you're wanting to look to see how you could incorporate it into your class or your class page for your students to use, just reach out and let me know. And hope you find this useful.